Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Here are reasons why rental property inspections are important. A lot of times, landlords and tenants tend to disagree about who is liable for damages on a rental property. But this doesn't always have to be the case. This is why it's so important to do a rental inspection before your tenant moves in. A good inspection report should adequately document the following. Firstly, it's any defects. From cracks or stains or anything that might be faulty in the apartment, make sure that it's documented. Secondly, if there are any special features in the property, you want to make sure that it's outlined in that inspection report. And lastly, you want to make sure that you get photographic evidence of any of the faults. You also want to take these pictures so that you get a general sense of the state of the apartment before your tenant moves in. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.